If I were to ask you about the circulatory system, you would probably think about like your heart, your arteries, your veins. But this is actually your complementary circulatory system. This is called the lymphatic system. And so that is these green tubules that run head to toe. They are structured similarly to blood vessels. They're a little more frail, a little more fragile. They have smooth muscle inside them that can perform an operation called peristalsis, which actually helps push lymph through this system. Lymph is basically a conglomeration of interstitial fluids. So it is a watery substance, a little bit milky, but basically it's the leftover fluid from the other circulatory system. So as the heart is pumping blood around, there is a surplus of fluid that's left in the tissue, and that is lymph. And so it has to be picked up, because if it wasn't, and you're very familiar with this, if it isn't, you actually get swelling in the area. There are problems that can arise with the lymphatic system, especially if you have to have lymph nodes, like under the arm, under the axilla removed. You can end up with lymphedema, swelling that is very hard to manage. There are also a few support organs for the lymphatic system. The spleen, which honestly, the function is not well understood. We know some basics, that it's a filter, it's part of the immune system. But past that, not a lot of information. We're not sure exactly what's going on there. And then this yellow piece here that looks like fat, that's actually the thymus. And if you're over 25 to 30, you no longer have a thymus because it has atrophied and been replaced by fatty tissue. So this has just been a basic overview of the lymphatic system. If you got questions, you know what to do.